Once upon a time, high above the hills and houses, there was a tiny cloud named Puffy. But Puffy had a little problem. He couldn't stop sneezing. Every time Puffy sneezed, something silly happened. One day, he sneezed and it rained jelly beans. The next day, it thundered glitter all over the sky. And once, his sneeze blew everyone's hats off their heads. The sun looked down and said kindly, "Puffy, maybe you're allergic to flying cupcakes?" "Oh no," said Puffy. "I love cupcakes." Then a wise old rainbow appeared and said, "Maybe what you need is a tissue made of moonlight." So the stars stitched one for him. Puffy took a deep breath, chew, and then silence. No jelly beans, no glitter, no flying hats, just peace in the sky. From that day on, Puffy only sneezed when someone forgot to smile. So remember, always smile, or Puffy might sneeze again.